Teach me how to fly.
Are you sure you're ready?
Yes, instructor.
You must choose one. So be it.
What does this have to do with flying helicopters?
Before one can learn to fly, they must learn to walk.
Oh, I get it. Let me guess. Wax on, wax off?
No, it just needs to be cleaned. Faster you must go.
Okay, I'll try.
Try not. Do or do not. There is no try.
Really? Star Wars?
I need you to climb this pole.
All right.
Wait. Let me see your hands. This represents strength, and this represents discipline. Now climb the pole.
This is just from Mulan. I really don't see what this has to do with flight training.
Climb the pole.
Let's get down to business.
You think this is a game?
No, sir!
You think this is math class?
No, sir!
Are you here to fly helicopters, or are you here to weave baskets?
Helicopter, sir!
Then get it together!
Yes, sir!
What is your problem? Playtime is over! Do you want to go back to shaving poodles for $6 an hour, or do you want to be a pilot?
I want to be a pilot, sir!
Let me see your war face!
Sir?
Your war face! Ah! That's a war face!
Ah! Really?
You dare question me?
Rocky. This is all from Rocky.
There are no stones in here.
No, the movies. This is all from the movies.
I don't watch movies.
Oh my gosh.
Cloud clearances, Bravo airspace.
3 station miles. Clear clouds.
Which pedal's your power pedal?
Right pedal.
Wrong. Which pedal's your power pedal?
Left pedal. Why am I blindfolded?
If you can dodge a ball, you can dodge double IMC conditions.
Wait! Oh! Wait. Kickboxer. This is just from Kickboxer.
You have one final test. You are ready to fly.
Operator.
Tank, my student needs a pilot program for a Robinson R-44 helicopter. Hurry.
Yo, dude, you good?
Yeah, that was weird.
Okay.
Wow, I can't believe this. I'm actually flying. This is insane.
You did it. It actually worked. I can't believe this.
Proper radio etiquette, please.
Yes, instructor.
Okay, I'm bringing it in now.
I don't know how I can thank you. That was incredible.
Your training is complete.
Star Wars again?
I told you, I don't watch movies.
Then how do you know where that's from?
High five, great success!
Wow, thank you.
Hold on to that sign. Run straight home and don't stop till you get there.
Moments after getting his private pilot certification, this student severely injured his knee. He was never able to pass his medical. Weeks later, he passed away in the hospital. The only person to attend his funeral was his instructor.
It's just a dream. Hello?
Do you want to fly helicopters?
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Hey, don't let that video scare you. We don't really put you through a world of torment and obscure movie references that only our videographer understands. Training to be a helicopter pilot is really fun. You get to do cool things like long line practice, mountain flying, and of course, night vision goggle training. Oh, hey, Robbie.
Hey, Mike. Hey, you want to hear a joke?
Yeah.
What's Michael Jackson's favorite drink?
What's that?
Tee-hee.
Say when.
When?
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting content from SUU Aviation.